Désormais, certains lives de SSR se feront en anglais. Désormais aussi, certains de ces lives se feront en allemand et plus seulement en français. Nous avons tendance à dire que le Cameroun est bilingue parce que je suis camerounais. Nous aimons bien dire que le Cameroun est bilingue, seulement nous ne vivons pas ce bilinguisme-là au quotidien. J'ai la chance de parler couramment français, anglais, allemand et un peu espagnol. Et je me suis rendu compte qu'il y avait pas mal de personnes qui me suivaient qui étaient plutôt des anglophones. Ou alors il y avait des personnes qui me suivaient qui parlaient uniquement allemand. Et du coup, sans le vouloir, hein, inconsciemment, j'ai exclu ces personnes en m'exprimant seulement en français. Donc désormais, je ferai des lives en anglais. Commençons par aujourd'hui. Donc aujourd'hui, je vais faire un live en anglais dans lequel je vais partager avec vous des conseils, des stratégies pour faciliter la recherche de vos emplois. Hi everyone. So I decided not to exclude some followers of SSR because they are English speaking people. So from now on, I will have some live sessions in English so you can feel, I would say, so as not to exclude you. I'm sorry for that because let's say I've been used to giving those live sessions in French, but many people are following SSR and they speak either only English or just German. So I decided to give you sessions in French, in English, and in German as well. So you can get all those advices to, let's say, for you to get ahead with your career. So join me this evening. Join me this evening at 7 p.m. on SSR so we can have our first live session in English. And in this session, I will share with you some advices. I will share with you some tips on how you can, let's say, perform better in your job search. I will share with you advices for passive job search, because even if you love your job, even if you feel very comfortable in your job, let me tell you something. It is always a good idea to be ready to get those opportunities around you. You should be always ready to get the next job opportunity that will come across your way. So for that, you need to be searching, not actively, but passively. And this evening, I will share with you some tips on how to do that. So no matter if you are actively searching for a job or not really because you're already in a job and you're happy with your job, today we will have great advices. We will have great tips. So come this evening and let's have a great talk. Come this evening, let's have a great discussion. Invite your friends, share this opportunity with all your friends, English-speaking people, and let them know from now on there will be sessions in English as well. Je vous souhaite de bien vous porter jusque-là. Rendez-vous ce soir à 19h. Nous allons nous faire plaisir en anglais. So today's session will be exclusively in English. That will be for you guys who would like to improve your English skills. That will be a great opportunity as well for you to improve your skills. That will be a great opportunity for you to comment in English, to listen in English, to read in English, and why not to join me in the call so we can have the live session together. Why not? Why not? So I really invite you to come join me this evening so we can together improve our skills, so together we can share our knowledges, so together we can make our community a better place to live. All right, so talk to you this evening. I'm very happy. I'm looking forward to that. Keep well, and yeah, bye. I'm Constantine.